In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Notion. If you've ever made a change in Notion and wished you could instantly take it back, this is for you. We'll cover quick undos and redos, how to bring back deleted pages from the trash, and how to roll a page back to an earlier version using page history. By the end, you'll feel confident recovering from almost any editing mistake. First up, the fastest way to undo most edits is with a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command+Z on macOS. This works for simple typing, but it also undoes changes to blocks, like headings, to-dos, callouts, and even block moves. If you just dragged a block to a new spot or changed a property in a database item, that same shortcut steps you back. You can press it multiple times to walk through your recent actions, one by one. If you go a step too far, don't worry, just redo. To redo an action, use Ctrl+Shift+C on Windows or Command+Shift+Z on macOS. On some keyboards and setups, Ctrl-Y also performs a redo on Windows. If one option doesn't work in your environment, try the other. Redo simply moves you forward through the changes you just undid, restoring each action in the order it was made. Now, what if you removed an entire page and need it back? Head to the trash at the bottom of the left sidebar. Click it to open your workspace trash. Locate the page you deleted, and select Restore. The page will return to its previous location along with its content and nested subpages. If your trash is long, use the search at the top to find the title quickly. Keep in mind, if a page has been permanently deleted, it can't be recovered from trash. For bigger rollbacks, like when a page's content gradually drifted and you want an earlier snapshot, use page history. Open the page, click the three-dot menu in the top right, and choose Page History. You'll see timestamps for previous versions. Click through them to preview what the page looked like at each point. When you find the version you want, restore it to bring the entire page back to that state. This is especially helpful on collaborative pages, since it captures changes over time and lets you confidently revert without guessing. That's it. Use undo and redo for quick fixes, trash to rescue deleted pages, and page history for full rollbacks when you need a clean slate. Thanks for watching.